Everybody, Pastor Bill here, and this is Fixing Things. And man, I got to get this bathroom done. This bathroom is like, I'm gonna get it done today. We're gonna trench these lines in, put the PEX lines down in the ground. We're also gonna run the wire that goes to the AC unit. We're gonna get all that done today. Man, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Today's Sunday. It's after church, and I'm gonna dig me a trench. I'm gonna put the lines in. I'm gonna fix the plumbing underneath the thing. I'm gonna hook all the PEX lines up, get the water running today. Hopefully. I'll show you. We'll get it done. How you turn this thing off? Water lines are in the ground. All right, the trench is all covered back in. The water lines are hooked back up. You can't even tell that was in there. Look at that, went all the way over here. And the wire you see coming out of the right there, that's for my mini split unit that will be there. So that goes in and hooks into where all the way back over there, way back over there. There used to be a little trailer for Carol's uncle, and that wire ran that. So I cut it off. Now it's going to be the heat pump. He's not over there no more. So now it's going to be for the heat pump. Little mini split system. It's going to sit right here-ish and come up through the wall. What's going on here? All right, my wainscoting is rusty, just the way I like it. Got my shower pan in down here. The water is running. Got my electric on. My little dinky bathroom sink. Just gotta mud these old walls up and see what Carol wants to do. Set my thing up in there-ish. It's coming along. Put a piece of trim around that. And over there too. That was looking good, man. I gotta set my toilet so I can use it. That's what I'm talking about. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.